Hey guys, I want to share with you a recipe that we really enjoy. It's kind of inspired by Steak and Shake. If you've ever been there, they have a chili mac or a chili mac supreme. Is what my husband likes to get. We hardly ever go there, but when you kind of want something that tastes like their chili mac supreme, it takes no time at all to whip it up at home. So here are some of the ingredients. I'll go over those again here in just a second. And I'm going to show you my ground beef that's almost finished here on the stove. Alright, we got the ground beef. It's all simmered up and steaming. And I'm getting ready to drain that. And I'm going to add the diced onion to it. And once that kind of cooks together for just a little bit, I'll add the other ingredients. And I will show you that as we get going here. Show you guys this little, I think it's called twist and chop, something like that. This one is from Pampered Chef, but you can find these anywhere. I've seen them at Big Lots. I don't know about anywhere, but I have seen them at Big Lots, Walmart. This one's a Pampered Chef. Basically, you put it in your ground beef and twist, and it breaks it up so nicely so you can get smaller pieces. You can use it for different things. I use it to kind of mix together my meatloaf or mixture when I'm making meatballs. Anyway, this is really handy dandy. Just thought I'd show you that. Now I'm going to show you the other ingredients that we're getting ready to add in. Alright, we're going to add a can of chili beans. We're going to use some ketchup, and the key ingredient is this chili sauce. This makes this taste so good. It gives it a little bit of a kick. Not in a spicy way, just kind of a little wangy way. Chili powder, cumin, we're going to add salt and pepper, and once this all simmers together, you serve it over pasta. I'm using this gluten-free brown rice pasta this time. My husband picked this up and wanted to give it a try. So, and then once you get done with all this simmering together, you put it on top of your pasta. You top it with shredded cheese, some more fresh onion if you'd like to, and maybe some sour cream. Oh, it is so good. It's really good in the fall and winter months. It's just perfect for those times, but it's good anytime. Anyway, I'm going to get to adding this to the rest of my ground beef and onion mixture, and my garlic. My garlic's in there as well. Alright, you guys, here is the beautiful chili mac goodness. This is the chili part of it, and you want to keep it thick. You don't want it to be real runny. See that? That's pretty thick. It's just going to simmer together here for a few minutes. This recipe actually comes together really quick. So I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit. I'm going to cook my pasta. We're going to top the pasta with this delicious chili mixture, shredded cheese, diced onions, and sour cream. So what we have here is about 1.5 pounds, close to 2 pounds of ground beef, a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic. We have about a good heaping cup of ketchup. We have a whole bottle of chili sauce. We have a can of chili beans, and then our spices are cumin, chili powder, and just a little bit of water. I kind of emptied out my can and then kind of got the rest of the sauce out of the can with a little bit of water. Same with my ketchup. I was at the bottom of the bottle, so I put a little bit of water in there and swish that around. So we have this delicious chili mixture here. Wow, guys, this is so good. So good. The ketchup and the chili sauce really give it a little wang that just, oh, it's perfect. Alright guys, I sure wish I had gotten a picture of the plate as it was all plated up, but our kids were over and we just get to having a good time, and I forget once everyone gets here. So we enjoyed this, devoured it. I've been making this for years. It always is a big hit. Our sons really love it as well, and their wives. And so I hope you make this and enjoy it throughout this cooler season, and who knows, eat it all year long. That's all right too, but I just wish I had gotten a picture of it all plated up for you guys. Anyway, I hope you make it and enjoy it, and I hope you're enjoying this fall season.